How much further must the Pythagorville Fire Department travel by road than the WABC helicopter travels by air? Explain your reasoning. That's the first question. And first question, so what we did, we found out the coordinates of the WABC, the fire department, and then the news. And we took 6 squared plus 8 squared equals c squared, and we got 36 plus 64 equals c squared. And obviously we took the square root of 100 because that's what they both equal. And then we ended up getting 10 equals c out of the first question. And then on number 2, what we did, we knew it was 35 feet high. And alright, for the second question, the ladder is anchored to the top of a truck at a height of 7 feet, and the truck is parked 21 feet from the base of the building. How long is their ladder? Does their ladder have to be once fully extended to the window? Explain your reasoning. So basically, how it told us, it was 7 feet and 21 feet away. It was 35 feet, like in a triangle going up. So doing A, B, and C, we took 35 minus 7 equals 28. And we did, and with the 21, we squared that, plus 28 squared, we equals c squared. And 441 plus 784 equals 1,225. So we got the square root of that equals the square root of c squared. And we ended up getting 35 feet for how long the ladder would have to be once fully extended to the window. Alright, third question says, how far was the firefighter carried the victim when they safely reached the ground? Explain your reasoning. So the little picture they gave us, they told us that it was 14 feet for these little heights right here of the staircases, like how the ceiling was on the floor. So that was 14 feet, that's 14 feet. Obviously it was 48 feet across, so that's A, B, and we need a C or we need a B. And so basically we took the 48 feet on the bottom, we squared that, and then we took the 14 and we squared that. So for the 48 squared we got 2,304, and the 14 squared we got 196 equals c squared. So then we added those two together, we got 2,500 equals c squared. We took the square root of that and we got 50 equals c for number 3. And then that leads into like the next question of 3. And it says, this firefighter can carry a victim at a rate of 6 feet per second. How long will it take them to reach the ground? So we took 50 plus 50 equals 100 feet. And we divided that by 6 feet because it's 6 feet per second. And we got 16.67. Okay, last question, number 4, says, from the museum, the hospital is 5 blocks east. So it tells us that we're 5 blocks, well, it tells us 5 is involved, so we put the 5 down there because that's where it goes, because we already know that 13 takes away right there, and we need to find B. So the airlift helicopter travels 13 blocks northeast, which is how we got a 13. And then what are the coordinates to the hospital? So basically we're trying to find B. So we took 5 squared plus B squared equals 13 squared, because we know 13 is C, 5 is A, and B is B. So we took 25 plus B squared equals 169. So we minus 25 from each side. So then we ended up getting rid of the 25, and it was B squared equals 169. So 169 minus 25 equals 144. So we took the square root of 144 equals c squared. And then we, after calculating it, we got B equals 12. So 12 would be the airlift.
No, 12 would be the B.
12 would be the B. And then we figured out that it would be, we'd use the 12 to find out on the graph that it is, the coordinates of the hospital is 6, 7.
By going up 12.
Mm-hmm.